Have you ever looked at the back of a product and wondered what those black lines and numbers actually mean? Today, we're demystifying EAN and GTIN. You've likely heard terms like EAN, GTIN, and even UPC used interchangeably, but they aren't exactly the same thing. To understand the difference, it's helpful to view them as a name versus a role. GTIN is the Universal Data Standard. GTIN stands for Global Trade Item Number. It's the overarching identification system managed by the nonprofit GS1. EAN, on the other hand, stands for European Article Number. It's a specific type of barcode that carries that GTIN data. When you see 13 digits under a barcode in a store outside North America, you're looking at an EAN 13 barcode. Think of it this way. Every EAN 13 is a GTIN, but not every GTIN is an EAN. Let's break that down further. As you can see, EAN has a fixed 13-digit structure, while GTIN can vary from 8 to 14 digits depending on the use case. Historically, these were regional systems, but in 2005, GS1 standardized everything under the GTIN umbrella. An EAN 13 is made of 4 parts: the GS1 prefix, the manufacturer code, the product code, and a check digit. The first 3 digits, known as the GS1 prefix, usually represent the country where the GS1 member organization is located. For example, numbers starting with 500 to 509 indicate the product was registered through GS1 in the United Kingdom. Following the prefix is the company prefix, a unique identifier assigned specifically to the manufacturer or brand owner. Then comes the item reference. This is assigned by the company itself to distinguish between different products in their line. The final digit is the check digit. It's not random. It's a mathematical calculation based on all the previous numbers. If a scanner misreads a single bar, the check digit math won't add up, preventing the system from entering incorrect data. But what about very small items? A full 13-digit barcode might be too wide for something like a lipstick or gum. For these, we use EAN 8, a compact version with just 8 digits that still follows the global GTIN 8 standard. To see how this works in the real world, let's follow the journey of a fictional product, lemon zest soda. Our manufacturer joins GS1 and receives a company prefix. They decide to sell this soda internationally. They assign a unique 13-digit GTIN to their 500 ml bottle. This number is now that soda's global identity. Since they are selling in Europe, they print an EAN 13 barcode on the label so scanners in Berlin or Paris can read it. If they wanted to sell the exact same bottle in a US supermarket, they might use a UPC barcode instead. A UPCA barcode is just a 12-digit GTIN. Most modern scanners today are GTIN ready and can read both. Now, imagine that soda moves from the retail shelf to a warehouse. Here, it's handled in cases of 24 bottles. To identify the whole case, they use a GTIN 14. This is a 14-digit number that signifies a bulk trade item. The barcode on the cardboard case is often an ITF-14, designed for durability and easy scanning in warehouses. Why does this distinction matter today? Especially if you're selling online on platforms like Amazon or eBay. Marketplaces require a product ID. You must select whether you're providing an EAN, a UPC, or a GTIN. Google Shopping uses these numbers to group identical products. If your EAN is correct, your product shows up in the right searches. Using the right code also prevents inventory errors. Scanning a GTIN 14 case tells the system 24 items arrived, not just 1. It's crucial to get your codes from GS1. Buying second-hand codes can lead to your product being delisted by major retailers. In summary, EAN and GTIN are part of the same global family. They are standardized, unique, and globally accepted. Remember the 2005 sunrise date, the moment retailers worldwide agreed to scan all versions of the GTIN standard. Whether it's a high-end sneaker or a simple soda, the barcode is the digital fingerprint of global trade. If you're starting a business, join your local GS1 chapter, get your company prefix, and start assigning your GTINs. Don't let the acronyms confuse you. GTIN is the data. EAN is just one way to show it. Now you're ready to navigate the world of global commerce with confidence. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the systems that make our modern world work.